Preview.
Parikshet,
Yes.
let's get started. What are we going to draw today?
Maybe a chocolate coin?
A chocolate coin?
Yes.
What is a chocolate coin? The chocolate coin?
It looks like a coin, but it's actually
A chocolate.
when you open the wrapper, it's a chocolate.
And where is it from? The Hanukkah.
Hanukkah.
Yeah. It's a chocolate gold coin that we are going to make. And we'll be having a lot of fun doing this, right? It is going to be a 3D chocolate drawing. Okay, Parikshet?
Okay.
Let's get started. So we first make a circle. Okay. Not an exact round one, but close to round. Okay. And then we make the 3D view of it. How do we do that? Yeah. Okay. And then what do we make? The pattern. Okay. Yes. Now these shapes. 1, 2, and 3, and the last one 4. Are you guys done till here? Now we make a little dots. Okay, you done till here?
Yes.
Awesome. So now let's quickly color it. We will be needing some orange color and
Yellow.
a brown color and the light brown color and yellow color. That should be all.
Thanks for all the colors.
Come on now, let's get started.
Okay. I think you start with the yellow.
Okay, let's start with the yellow color. And this is the gold coin, sorry, the chocolate gold coin from Hanukkah, ready for you to draw. So what did we do here? We made a circle, and to give it a 3D effect like a turned coin, we gave it a 3D effect and then we colored it. So what you needed was a black sketch pen as always, some white paper and few colors, whatever you have. We use Sharpies. You can use whatever colors you have and you can have fun while you learn with Parikshet and Kids Fun Learn Club. So I hope you are enjoying. I hope you are enjoying these videos and loving whatever Parikshet does. Now just see what Parikshet is doing. He is using some creativeness of his. He's drawing a man holding the coin. Right, Parikshet?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that also
Okay, keep it here. Yeah.
in the maybe way.
What do you want? Tell me.
Yes. Here it is. This.
Okay, so we are done with this amazing drawing of the chocolate coin from Hanukkah. I hope you love this drawing and follow us, subscribe us for more such amazing drawing lessons with Parikshet and Kids Fun Learn Club. Until then, have a great and a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.
Bye.